3. Grammar. You need to watch 2a-1 vocabulary before you watch today's grammar video. Today we have 2 grammar lessons in one. We have present simple and prepositions of time. We will refer to present simple using blue, and we will refer to prepositions of time using red. What is present simple and when do we use it? Present simple is used when we talk about a routine. Like this: I get up, I wake up at 7 o'clock every morning. Maybe it happens every day, maybe it happens every week. It happens like a normal thing, like a routine. We use present simple. Prepositions of time, we use them to tell about the time it's happening. I get up when? This is the time. At 7 o'clock. I work when? From 9 to 5. Prepositions of time. Read the examples. These examples. Look at the words in blue. How do we form the third person singular? What is the third person singular? The first person is the one talking. When we talk, we use I and we when we talk about ourselves. I, singular, one. We, plural, more than one. The second person is the one that you are talking to. I am talking to you. You are listening. I talk to you. You are the second person. I am talking. You are listening. If you are only one, I use you. If I'm talking to 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, I also use you. The third person is the one that we are talking about. He is probably not here, or maybe he is here, but we are talking about him or her indirectly. We use he, she, and it if they are singular, and we use they if they are plural, more than one. Now, let's form the third person singular from this sentence. I get up at 7 o'clock every morning. This sentence is affirmative. We will use he instead of using I. He gets up. Ken is a man's name. He, the same thing. He gets up. Ken gets up late on Saturdays. Is there any difference between this and this? Get up, gets up. If you are using he, she, or it, you add s to the verb. Ken gets up. Is this plural s? No, it's not plural s. Every time we use present simple, when we talk about a routine, if the pronoun we are using is he, she, or it, if the sentence is affirmative, you should add s. I'll repeat. If you are using present simple, 1. If you are using he, she, or it, 2. If the sentence is affirmative, 3. You must add s to the verb. 2. You work from 9 to 5. He works, the same thing. He works from 9 to 5. Or Tom works until 11 o'clock at night. Third example. We don't do the washing up in the evening. This sentence is negative, so it's not the same as affirmative. In here, we use don't. With he, she, and it, we will use doesn't. Samia doesn't do the washing up at the weekend. With I, you, we, and they, we use don't and the verb. With he, she, and it, we use doesn't. Samia, she, doesn't do. 4. They don't have breakfast during the week. Make it she or he. Hassan doesn't have breakfast on Thursday mornings. I added this example Do you like my videos on YouTube? This one is a question. How do we start questions? With do or does. And this is the verb. Do you like? The verb is like. To answer, yes I do, no I don't. To use it with he, she and it, we don't use do, we use does. Does Robert like my videos on YouTube? Yes he does. No he doesn't. Does Selma like my videos? Yes she does. No she doesn't. Now we move on to prepositions of time. We use at when we talk about a specific time, like 7 o'clock. This is a very specific time. Or 6 o'clock, or 2:30. We also use at with night. I'll see you at night. At midnight. At noon. We will meet at the weekend. We use in with the morning, the afternoon, the evening, and I can say in my free time. In my free time, I watch TV. You have to remember this. We use on with Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, all days of the week. We also use it with the word weekdays. If you are talking about the weekend, you say at. I'll see you at the weekend. I'll see you on weekdays. You have to remember this table. You have to put it inside your mind, okay? Just remember everything in here. From means the beginning of the time. To means the end of the time. The start is 9. The end is 5. During means from the beginning till the end. During the week means from the beginning of the week until the end of the week. Until means we don't know the starting time. We only know the ending time. Tom works until 11 o'clock. We don't know the time he starts. We know that he finishes his work at 11. Now we are ready to work on this exercise. Complete the blanks with the present simple of the verbs in brackets and the boxes with prepositions of time. Inside the boxes, we will put on, in, at, from, to, during, until. And we will complete the blanks with present simple. Use this verb. Not play, so it's negative. I don't play football. Just like this one. Negative. We don't. Don't and then the verb. We don't play. I don't play football the weekend. Okay, the weekend. Is it on or in or at? The weekend, look, it's here. The weekend, at. At the weekend. This sentence is affirmative. I play tennis. Just put the verb without making changes. 2. Bill. Oh, Bill, he. He finishes. Notice that we didn't only add s to the verb finish, we added es, and we learned about this in a previous video. If the verb or the word ends with x, z, s, sh, ch, or o, we add es to the verb. Do you see the sh here? Finish. We say finishes. He finishes work. This is a specific time, 3 o'clock. At 3 o'clock. Afternoon, in the afternoon. Look. At 3 o'clock, in afternoon. You have to remember that. 3. My parents, negative. Parents, we are talking about two people, my father and my mother. So this is not singular, this is plural. I will use don't. Don't cook. On, this is Friday. On Friday evenings. They Go, put the verb without any changes, to a restaurant. 4. Mark, he studies. Notice that because study ends with Y, we change Y into IES. Mark studies. Okay, this is the starting time. 5. 7 is the ending time. From 5 to 7. Every day. 5. Angela, she, negative, doesn't do housework weekdays on weekdays. Remember, weekend at the weekend, weekdays on weekdays. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, share it with friends. I will leave you now with the workbook exercises. Goodbye.